how to enable 120 FPS on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll down and you want to select screen and video and go to video output. From here, scroll down and you want to turn on 120 Hz output and change this to automatic. Now what this is going to do is your PS5 is automatically going to switch to 120 Hz frame rate as long as the game supports it. In addition to that, I recommend you turn on auto low latency mode as this is going to switch your display or TV into game mode, so turn this on if possible. Now we're going to go back, and from here, we're going to go down and go to Save Data and Game/App Settings. And under Game Presets, you want to turn on Performance Mode rather than Resolution Mode. This is going to ensure for all the games you play, it's always going to prioritize higher frame rates. Now, when it comes to the actual games themselves, we're going to open up Call of Duty, but this would apply to Fortnite and other games. Is press the Start button, and from here, you want to go to Settings, and go to Graphics or Video Settings on your game, and in the settings, you should find an option to turn on 120 FPS or Hertz, and then when you play the game, you'll get 120 FPS. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.